Hi, I have an Acura 04 TSX with an OEM navigation system. It has 386,000 miles on it. I recently changed the battery and found that my dash time, the clock on the dash, does not match with the actual time. And let me show you the actual time. People told me to go to Setup and number 4. And then time zone clock. The actual time is 1852 and the dash time is 1224. Doesn't matter, I try to change here. See, it doesn't change at all. See that? 1852. See, I'll try to change here, but not up there. And so try to figure out what to do. Even though he return. The time's still not changing. And this is the one I use it most of the time when I'm driving. So how to do it? Well, I found out a way to do it. You see the map, manual, and cancel. Push these 3 buttons together simultaneously. And then you go to a diagnosis screen. You go to functional setup. Go to HU time sent. Oh, it was off, so you have to go to on and hit set. And then hit return. Okay. Hit set. The return screen not working. Okay, kind of slow. Return. Okay, go to the main screen and wait. See, it's time change. Now it's 6:54. Let's look. Let's check the actual time. Go to setup. Number 4. Time zone clock. Yep, it matches. 1854, 6:54. So that's how you do it. Okay, so let me show you how to do it again one more time. Remember the map, manual, and cancel. Push it down at the same time. You go to functional setup, H2 time sent, and make sure this is on. Okay, if it's off, then you have to turn it on and hit set, and then hit return. And hit return, and hit return again. And then that would change with maybe in 10 seconds. Alright, that's how you fix your dash clock problem that does not match with the actual time when you change your battery or when the battery was off. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.